Hi guys, good morning. Today's vlog is very interesting because it will cater to all my audience, which is usually in the 15 to 35, 40 range. So I think most of my subscribers are between age of 15 to 30. This vlog is gonna make it very interesting. So stay till the end and keep watching. Alright guys, just driving out of my house and why is today's vlog interesting? Now it's about spending money, and I'm driving my Tesla today in the rain because I get a free car wash with the rain. Yesterday I drove the Mercedes in the rain and I got a lovely rain wash of my Mercedes too. So I saved $25 yesterday and I'm saving $25 on car washing today also. But that's not what the video is about. The video is very interesting because my son, as you know, he's got his first salary from his first job. And we're talking about put your money in the bank and open a bank account and all that. That's not going to happen because his mind is set on this damn new Xbox which is launched. Okay, sorry, I'm just turning here. I need to focus on the road. My vlogs are all real, guys. Whatever you see is what I'm doing. Except shower and bathroom activities, I think everything else I show on the vlog. So today's vlog too is also a very personal sharing of what goes on in a family with kids. And I would love to look at the camera, but I'm looking at the road. So yeah, my son, the great kid he is, he's a great kid really. He does well in school, he does well in sports, he does well in his job, everything. But he wants to spend his first salary on this stupid Xbox. Some new Xbox is coming out. I don't even know what it's called. Please let me know in the comments. Xbox Series X or something. So he has a Xbox already and he has a PS4. So he's not short on any video games. He has all that for years, and my brother gave him the PS4 plus we bought him the Xbox for Christmas one. So both those devices he has, and now he wants to spend his own salary on the new Xbox, which is I think launching in November 10th or something like that. So I was like, what the hell, man? And I know Darren doesn't watch my videos, so I can be a little but my parents watch, and my parents usually support my son over me. So they will always say buy him, poor fellow. But mom and dad, if you're watching, just watch to the end because we may just get it. But yeah, he wants this stupid new Xbox because obviously PS4, Xbox are all out there to take your money. The one thing is to buy the box and the device, and the second thing is to pay for all the games after that. So, I mean, it's his money, but he lives in our house and it's our rules, right? That's what we parents have advantage of saying all the time. So the kids have to listen to us because we have gray hair and we have many years of life experiences. So when my son is only 16, I give him a lot of talks on life and on experiences. I mean, my first salary when I joined Tata Chemicals or Rallies, when I joined in 1999, my first salary was 7,000 rupees, like $100 a month. So I have a lot of US subscribers too. My first salary was $100 a month back in India in a big company, Tata's, and I was an MBA with a postgraduate and a law degree. So it's not that I was paid less because I was not qualified, but that was the salaries that time. I'm sure my dad's first salary was even much less than that. So now the kids, if they get a job, they're making, my son makes whatever, $15 an hour or minimum wage, which is a lot of money, right? When you're living with your parents, you don't have to pay for food, you don't have to pay for anything. You're just making like good money at the age of 16. And you feel like spending it, you feel like enjoying your money, which is good. I mean, I told Darren, if you want to buy it, think about it, buy it. But what I told him is, in his room he has a very old television. Actually, that television is totally outdated. It's like 5-6 years old and no HDMI, nothing. That television is not 4K. So I told him, instead of buying the new Xbox, buy a better television, because the games are better if you buy a television. they look better on a television. But no, he says I want that Xbox. He's very adamant, and it's launching in few weeks, so he wants to spend his salary on that. Now I can only advise him, it's his money, he's working hard for it. That's what I can say. But I gave him a challenge, and that's why I wanted to make this video. Now the challenge I've given him is I will be fine buying the Xbox for him with his money, or I can buy it also, no problem with what we can do for him. But I said, you first sell the PS4 that you have. I need to put my wipers on, it's getting heavy. I told him, you first sell the PS4 and the current Xbox that you have. First sell it on Facebook Marketplace for a decent price, or on Craigslist, or on anything. You can sell it on eBay or whatever. I told him, take a few pictures, put it up on Craigslist or eBay or Facebook Marketplace. And I said, if you sell both those devices, the Xbox and the PS4, then you can buy the new one. That's fine. It's like an upgrade, right? Like you upgrade your phone or your car. So that's the challenge I've left him with. Guys, check out the rain. It's like, I told you, free car wash is happening today also. And it's like the wipers are on the 3rd speed here. So I'm in the Tesla, which is safe. I can put it on autopilot also, but I'm mostly looking at the road. So please don't mind me looking at the roads while I'm vlogging, because I only get time to vlog like this. I don't get time separately to vlog. Okay, so coming back to the topic of the video. So Darren, if you're watching, the challenge is you sell the Xbox and the PS4, and then you can happily buy the new Xbox. That's my view. The other option is the PS4 or Xbox can move one of them into my room, because I also want to start gaming. So you can move one of them, give them to me, and that way I will also enjoy the gaming part of life, which I haven't been doing. I don't play any video games. A lot of my friends are playing all these video games, GTA and all these games, but I don't play any video games. Like my friends have the best setup, the video game, TV and the music system. I don't spend much on all that. But I will take it if Darren is giving it to me free. So he can give me his old Xbox, and I will then, we will be fine buying him the new one. Anyways, guys, nothing serious about this vlog. It's just some fun to share these experiences while driving. And I'm happy to share this because, every day is a new experience when you're a dad or you're bringing up kids. With my daughter, I keep sharing with you guys, and also with my son. So, yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys feel. Am I being too harsh? Am I being too lenient? Am I giving too much, getting back too much? Whatever. Let me know. Don't give me gyan, because I don't want gyan. I mean, I know how to bring up my kids. I've done it for a while now. So, yeah, let me know, because this is going to be fun. I want to see how he sells the old stuff on Facebook, and I'm going to help him with it, because I sell a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, that's today's video. I am on my way for some work, and I don't know if I'll get to vlog later in the day, but it's about 10:45 in the morning, and hope you liked yesterday's vlog, because I did the whole editing of yesterday's vlog on my iPhone, on iMovie iPhone. It was a pain because I have fat fingers, but I had to do all the editing, put the music, everything. Check out yesterday's vlog, because I think for doing it on iPhone, it was nice. I was very impressed, because I have MacBook Pro and all that, but sometimes you just want to do some fun stuff, and that's what I did. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. Have a lovely week. I am enjoying the rain and the fall weather. So signing out now. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know what your views are on this today's topic. Take care. Bye.